Hello everyone, welcome. I would like to help you improve your pronunciation of American English by improving the pronunciation of your vowel sounds. And I would like to do that by teaching you a little bit the International Phonetic Alphabet. So you may have seen these symbols on other videos that you find here on YouTube that help you to pronounce English. And I want to explain how that works. So this is referred to as the International Phonetic Alphabet. So first of all, what I'd like for you to do is just listen to this sound. You can close your eyes if you'd like, or you can just simply listen. So listen to this sound. Ah, 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 ah. So the sound that you just heard is represented by the symbol, this symbol that you see here, in the International Phonetic Alphabet. This is not the English alphabet, it's a different alphabet, and the phonetic alphabet is very special because each letter or symbol in the phonetic alphabet that you see represents only one sound. So one symbol, one sound. When you learn the symbols and the sounds that are associated with each symbol, then you can learn how to pronounce in any language. So let's continue. Let's go back to this symbol that you see here. Again, when you see this represents the sound ah, 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 ah. And this is a sound that we use a lot in American English. Usually, the symbol is between slashes. So you might see it under a regular word like this. And if you see this, once you know that this symbol means ah, 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 when you pronounce the word you see, make that sound and then you're pronouncing it correctly. So let's take a look at this word in English. Now you probably already know how to pronounce this word, but I want to show you how this word is represented by the International Phonetic Alphabet. So let's go ahead and start with the first sound of this word. Now this looks like the letter K, and it is the letter K in the English alphabet, but this symbol is also a symbol in the International Phonetic Alphabet. And when you see this symbol, or this letter, it represents the sound K, 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 K. Okay? And then this letter in the International Phonetic Alphabet represents the sound T, 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 T. Okay, so let's go ahead and start to put this together. We have the A, and we have the K, 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 A, K, A. And then the final symbol or final letter in the International Phonetic Alphabet is T, T. So we have K, A, T, K, A, T. Let's put the first two together. So we have K and A, that is together Ka, Ka. And the last one, T, Cat. So let's put it all together. Cat, cat, cat. Now remember, this is the International Phonetic Alphabet, or we also refer to that as IPA. So this is the IPA. Okay, so when you see this word in English and you see this below it, this tells you how to pronounce it. So if I remember A, and I know I also remember T and K, put it all together, cat, cat. So this down here tells you how to pronounce what you see up here. So there you have it. Cat, cat, cat. Okay, so now that you know how to pronounce cat, let's try another word. Okay, so we have A and T. Now this letter here in the International Phonetic Alphabet is h. So put it together with this. Hat, hat, hat. So we have hat in English, hat. Okay, and if you're remembering that this vowel sound is a, you're going to pronounce your English words correctly, American English words. So over here we have cat, and here we have hat. Cat, hat. Again, hat, hat. Let's try another word. So this letter or symbol in the IPA represents the sound b, b, b. We know this is a, and we know this is t. So put it all together. Bat, bat, bat. So now you have another English word, American English word. Bat, bat. So far we have cat, 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 hat, hat, bat, bat. Let's try another word. Okay, so this letter in the IPA or symbol represents the sound m, m. So we have a and t, at. Put it all together. Mat, mat, mat. So if you're looking in a dictionary or you see a video online and it has this under the word, this word here, you know how to pronounce it now. Mat, mat. Remember? Always remember the vowel sound. A, mat. Here's another word. This is the past tense of sit down. Like I sit, well, you could say I sat down. So the letter here represents the sound s. So sat, 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 sat. Okay, here's a very common and important verb in English. Remember the sound is a, and this is h, and this is v. So have, have. So if you remember the vowel sound a, have, put it all together, and now you know how to pronounce this word like a native speaker of American English. Have, have. Let's try a complete sentence. So this is I, and you just learned have. I have. This letter in English is pronounced So, and you know cat, so I have a cat. I have a cat. I have a cat. I have a cat. So in the International Phonetic Alphabet, the I is actually two sounds put together. So I have a cat. I have a cat. So this one will be the topic of another video. The vowel sound that we are learning in this video is, of course, the a. I have a cat. I have a cat. Okay, so now that you remember the vowel sound is a, you can pronounce all of these words. Cat, bat, hat, mat, rat, sat, have, happy. Remember, a, so the word happy has the vowel sound a, happy, happy, happy. You can say, I have a cat, and you can pronounce it like a native speaker of American English. I have a cat. You can say, I have a happy cat. I have a happy cat. I have a happy cat. This one is different. I have a happy cat. I have a happy cat. How about this one? I have a hat. I have a hat. I have a hat. I sat on my hat, not on my cat. I sat on my hat, not on my cat. Again, the vowel sound here is a. Sat, hat, cat. So remember, when you see this symbol in the IPA, or International Phonetic Alphabet, it represents the sound a. Now that you know that, you can apply it to pronouncing all of these English words. So the sound a is in cat, bat, hat, mat, rat, sat, have, happy. All right, well, that's it for this lesson. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and look for the next video in this series. Have a great day.